Hi guys, it's Len here. I hope you're having a great day and welcome to Asianadian. Today I'm going to show you another recipe using cabbage and beef short ribs. Learn this. So the first thing you gotta do is cut up your onions and your beef short ribs. This is still frozen. You gotta cut this in between the bones. Put a little bit of cooking oil. Stir it until golden brown. Now add the beef short ribs. Add a little bit of water and simmer it until the meat is tender. Add a little bit of soy sauce, ground pepper, put a generous amount of pepper. And then we'll simmer this until the meat is tender. Now we are going to prepare the cabbage, but this time we're not gonna use the knife. We are going to tear this apart by hands, like this. Like this. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna tear it apart like that, avoiding the hard part of the cabbage. So this one is the hard part. I'm gonna take that away and then literally tear this apart like that. Okay? Like that. So easy. This is the reason why it's called torn up cabbage with beef short ribs, because you have to literally tear this apart by hand. Looks like you're mad at your paperwork and you're angry and you're tearing it apart like this. The water has dissipated and the meat is tender. Now it's time for the cabbage to dive in. Now let's just simmer it for probably 3 minutes and this cabbage will reduce to small size. We'll just leave it like that and we'll stir it after. Check this out. See how much the cabbage has reduced? Make sure you don't overcook the cabbage or else it's gonna be so mushy. It needs to be half cooked with little crunch on it. And this is ready. This is cooked. Oh yeah. Done. Now let's eat. Now let's try this. Check this out, guys. Oh yeah. The cabbage is sweet. Yes. That is really good. This is really good. It's so simple, it's so easy to make. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm a carnivore. I want meat. Oh yeah. That is really good. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, hit the like button as well, and I'll see you on my next video. Mm.